The celebrity we are going to be covering today is not only a popular musician, but also a very rich and well-established young stud. Yes guys, today we will be talking about how surprisingly rich Harry Styles is. Once famous for playing in the band One Direction, Harry's net worth has surpassed $90 million. At the age of 27, he has made the record of becoming the richest singer and actor under 30 in the UK. Curious to know what the singer does with all his millions? For that, keep watching the video. If you are having trouble recognizing Harry, allow us to jog your memory by calling out a little portion from Harry's past. Back in 2012, when One Direction was a really huge deal. Being the popular member, Harry Styles earned a lot of fame and generated untold millions by selling out stadiums. But sadly, everyone in the band decided to go their own way and pursue solo careers. Harry Styles was the first one to quit the band in 2016 and walk his own path. Ever since, Harry has given us multiple hit projects that have made him a millionaire. With a huge following of 47 million on Instagram, Harry charges $27,000 per Instagram post and can charge from $900,000 to $1.5 million per brand endorsement, depending on how lengthy and time-consuming his work is. Hard work and dedication surely do bring prosperity, and Harry has proven that. But before we dive into the ultimate luxuries of Harry's, let's roll the intro first. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you a sneak peek of the ultimate posh lifestyle of the Don't Worry Darling star Harry Styles. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Born in the UK, Harry Styles is a 28-year-old ex-One Direction band member. Harry parted ways from the band and stunned the audience with his single hit Sign of the Times, which has hit 1 billion views on YouTube. Whoa! Now, that is what we're talking about. Harry may undermine his awesome music sometimes, but we don't. Harry's music is actually one of the good ones. Growing up in front of the camera surely influences a person's way of behaving and owning things, but this is not the case with Harry. Never letting fame mold his personality, Harry is such a wholesome and down-to-earth person. If you haven't seen his promotional interviews, you need to look him up right now, because you don't know what you're missing out on. If you happen to enjoy Harry's interviews, mention your favorite Harry moment in the comments. The last interview of Harry's that went viral was when he appeared on The Late Show with James Corden, along with his ex Kendall Jenner. Both rocked the Spill Your Guts segment and shocked everyone. With Harry's charming way of giving every little thing attention, he makes everyone fall in love with him. Speaking of attention, Harry has recently snatched the spotlight by getting into a film career. Besides his best hit film, Dunkirk, Harry stunned the audience last year by teasing a very diverse role in the post-credits of Marvel's film, Eternals. If you feel like hearing about Harry's successful career, here is a list of some of the most expensive things that make Harry's lifestyle extremely privileged and luxurious. You will be surprised to find out about Harry's car selection because he chose grace over style. The minute he rose to fame, Harry flaunted big checks on expensive cars. Harry owns a $130,000 Audi R8 Coupe and a $200,000 California Ferrari convertible, which are as flashy as his clothes. Yes, Harry loves trying out all sorts of clothes. Along with that, Harry is also obsessed with gel nail paints and very expensive Gucci jewelry. His Gucci rings cost nearly 10 grand. Being a man of art, Harry owns 25 pieces of some provocative artwork by Hayden Case, which cost more than $33,000. In his interview with Vogue 72 Questions, he gave the audience a tour of his house where the paintings were seen hanging everywhere. Besides all the shenanigans, Harry lives in a giant LA mansion which is to die for. Harry bought the luxurious modern-style mansion with a unique touch of art for $7 million, and that is totally worth it. And on a serious note, with Harry's growing popularity, Harry spends $1 million on his security annually and makes sure he's safe and sound. Seeing Harry juggle his acting, singing, and performing careers at the same time, we are just obsessed, aren't you? And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the rich lifestyle of Harry Styles? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.